Hey guys.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's the morning. It's February 1st. I'm waking up and I'm gonna work out. I don't really like working out. And for the new year, I know it's February now, but for the new year I made goals for myself. And I made like realistic goals, like I want to reach 1,000 subscribers, which are on our way there. Thank you. Well, this looks stupid. It looks so stupid. Why is my forehead so big? I wanted to reach 1,000 subscribers. I want to post videos every week, which I've been doing. It's kind of weird. Like, really cool, but I'm like, people are watching me? Whatever. But yeah, those are my goals. And those have been my goals since the new year started. And yesterday I added a new goal, which I want to work out more often, not every day, but more often. But I want to stretch every day. My goal is I want to be able to do the splits in the future, but I know that will take a while. So I'm gonna do that today with you guys. I don't know. I'm wearing this little workout outfit. I don't recommend it. It's from Amazon, but like it's kind of weird. I feel like I always have to adjust it. But I'm wearing this workout outfit and I got these socks on because I'm freezing. Okay. Okay. I just worked out, so I'm like warmed up. Now I'm gonna do stretching because I want to learn how to do the splits, whatever. So I have a YouTube video playing like right here that I'm gonna follow, and I'll probably just show you like a little bit of this. I don't know how embarrassing it will be. I'll link below the videos that I watch. Like I did a dance workout thing, which I didn't want to film because that would be super embarrassing. And then this one. So enjoy. Also, these are my ears.
Long nights alone, sleeping by myself with no one to hold. And I think, don't you worry my friend, you got time. But right now I think I need some.
Look at you. This is the outfit I did. This new sweater I got. I love my super baggy jeans. And then cuffed them with my little ballet flats. The makeup turned out, I don't know how I feel about it. I was like really feeling it as I was doing it, and then when I was done I was like, I feel like my skin just doesn't look good. I don't know what's happening with the makeup. I don't know. But I'm gonna go sit on my patio and read. You reading? Hey. Oh, let me get my coffee. Okay. But it's several days later. But we're back. I have this tank top, just like a plain white tank top with this stain on it that doesn't come out. Honestly, I don't know what it is, but I want to like upcycle this, you know. So this needs to be covered. And then there's like a splash of it on the neckline or whatever. So my idea is I'm gonna take some cute ribbons and make cute little bows. The theme is gonna be black, red, and white. So I have this one, this one, this one, and then just like a plain white. I'm gonna do a bunch of cute bows and then sew them on kind of like randomly and make a cute little bow top. And like this one's like really sentimental to me. It says I love you with this little bear on it, and it's my mom's. I have like more of the ribbon, but like I never want to do anything with it because it's so special. But I have a piece of it and there's more of it there. My mom passed away when I was a kid, so like everything related to her is like sentimental to me. But I want to use it and put it to use, and I love it. So we're gonna use this and these other ones, and I hope it goes good. Love you.
Fucking Encino, you don't let him roll. You telling me Shredder never?
Okay, I made 2 of these ones, 2 of these ones. I made this one and 1 bigger white one. And I'm gonna just kind of try and arrange them in a way that I like, that like helps kind of cover the stain. This one's like, the big stain is like kind of big, low-key, and it's like hard to cover. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But I'm gonna do another like time-lapse situation, but bows are done. Hi. My hair is like slicked back. I mean, did like a swoop thing. I don't know how I feel about it. Like low-key makes me feel like I could do short hair. I don't know, but I made the tank top. I think it turned out so cute. I love it. I'm not gonna try it on because I just got dressed and I have to go somewhere soon, so whatever, but yeah, I think it turned out really cute. Okay. Also, do you like my shirt? It basically just says the F word like all over it. Just fun. Peaches! No, what were you doing in there? I'm gonna put a little bit of this lip tint on my lips. It's like pretty pink, so I'm literally gonna do a little. The products I use are in a link down below if you're interested. I don't think everything, but like the stuff I use like regularly I put on there if you're interested. Oh yeah, but I had a hair oil in and I'm not gonna wash my hair until tomorrow, but I'm going out, so I was like, slicky backy situation is kind of the vibe. I'm not really sure, but it makes my face like centerfold, so I was like, I want to do some makeup. My plant right here is thriving, just so you know. The cap just broke on this, bitch. Okay. This is not linked below, but it's like a visor palette. I'm gonna use just like the dark cool tone brown and do a little bit like right on the lash line. Brown mascara. This is how we're looking. Sorry, I love doing that face. I know it's not cute, but literally who cares? I'm gonna take a little bit of just my bronzer powder and like set where I put the bronzer earlier. It's like a nudie pink, but it is just like the color of my lips. I'm like second guessing the hair. I have these little like moles, no, not moles, they're like freckles. And sometimes I like to like darken them. Just like that. No, pat over them, but